Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. Got tongue-tied there. So nothing too thrilling tonight. Just finishing off a couple of IntelliVision Purist controllers. So I've got 3 controllers. 3 IntelliVisions left. So I'm gonna have 2 done tonight, and I have the third one done tomorrow. And I've got a bunch of 5200 controllers to build. So of course this is the version 2.0. This is the Purist design, which just means the buttons all match up with what the original layout would be. So button 1, 2, 3. I just want to make sure I actually wire those up correctly. Easiest to do that one is pinball. Good version of pinball, by the way. Well, my saturation's not enough. Hold on a second. This irritates me. Hold on a second. I gotta change my filter here real quick. I don't like how unsaturated that red is. It's actually quite a bit. Let's pull the saturation up a bit. Too far. I'm gonna delete that entire filter. Go back to default. Yes. Alright, so that's not quite red enough. Not terrible. That's a pretty good red there, actually. I think I'm going to add one quick filter. It's going to be the color correction, and let's bump the gamma up just a little bit. One player, enter. Gamma's just a little high. I'm just trying to match it up with the monitor I have over here. It's not bad. Alright, so this is pinball. Really good version of pinball. I like this version. Oh, good, I got it right first time. So pinball is the best to figure out. It actually uses all 3 different buttons, left, right, both. And of course you just do this to your plunger. Actually, I really like this version of pinball. This is a lot better than... I mean, Midnight Magic's really decent for the 2600, but that came out really late in the game. It was the original pinball, I remember. It was not the most thrilling one out there. Yeah, really decent version of pinball. Physics are decent. Pretty darn responsive too. I could not imagine playing this with that original controller though. Just that lack of responsiveness would drive me insane. Yeah, good version of really good version of pinball. I like this one. Again, this is just a test to make sure all buttons work. Like it. Yeah, I was just doing a final test before putting it in the box. What the? That ball is stuck. How does that happen? Trying to tilt the table. Great physics, guys. Whoa, wow. Okay. I've tilted it, and I still can't get the ball. Wow, that's a 1 million shot. That's funny as hell, man. Alright. So let's try. This is randoms. It's armor battles, always a good one. Show the directions. Push disc to play. Sure, why not? Get me out in the open here. Down. One notch over. Another notch over. Another notch over. Oh, this works so nice now. I love this version 2. This is what I wanted. Oh, by the way, yeah, anyone who wants, I've got one, I just received one controller to upgrade. So if you have one of the 1.0 controllers, go ahead and email me at retro@cyberfreak.com, or you can respond back to the original emails that were sent to you when you placed your order, and we can arrange upgrading your controller to 2.0. Nice, that works perfectly. Wow, I'm actually so happy with how that turned out. Not to toot my own horn, but that was, I really like this version now. Oh, it's like more precise than the original controller. It's great. Oh, I like how it kind of recoils and bops you off in a direction, like one notch off. Let's drive around a minute. Oh. Oh, you go fast on the grass. Whee! A little slower through the water. Yeah, that works so nice now. That is cool. Nice. That works really well now. And it's actually easier for me to consistently make it too, which is doubly good. As they say, double plus good if you ever read 1984. Oh, it's actually one of my favorite books. I read it once a year, regardless of who's in power. Was this the one that's the one you go up and down those weird ladder things? Ah, oh, cool. Oh, it's Disney and everything. Oh, yeah, this one. I remember playing this on the 2600. So we've got jump, jump, and jump. Oh, yeah, that's right. Whoa. I remember not liking this in the 2600 as well. It's me. I wanted to try bump and jump on it here. I think that's one of the games. I always like bump and jump. Ooh, graphics. Ooh. Number of players. 1. Nice. Let's see, we got jump, jump, and jump again. I take it back. I like this Purist version the best, because I'm a right-handed stick player, and I like the fact that the keypad will match up with the overlay. So yeah, if anyone asks, I do like the right-handed Purist. I haven't even made a left-handed one yet, just a right-handed. Oh yeah. I love how precise this is. Oh, it makes such a difference. Whoa! All things considered, I can't remember, you're supposed to bump into some stuff. I guess there's a reason it's called bump and jump. Good game. That's a good version of it, actually. And then let's see. Ooh, there's Centipede. I love Centipede. One of my favorites, actually. Oh. Oh, you do that to shoot over, move over. That is cool. Well, that's a neat feature. So button 1 is just button 1. The top button's fire, but the bottom is the get the heck out of the way. Oh, I like that. This is actually a really decent version of Centipede, by the way. That's with a trackball, but this is pretty good. I do like the zip the heck out of the way feature. Oh, I gotta clear out some of these mushrooms. Yeah, see, I like how they implemented these, because there's no trackball to, when you do that weird, we'll call it the woo button. Not the fastest version of it, but pretty decent. Sound effects are spot on, I'll give it that. Good version, really good version, I like that one. I'll put that on my list of games to play here. Dig Dagger Playmate. Dreadnought Factor. Let's take a look. See if it actually works on my... Oh. For some reason, not every game works on my IntelliVision II. I'm going to be fixing my 2609 shortly, so hopefully everything will work. Oh yeah, Microsurgeon, that's a good one. Mr. Basic meets Bits. Oh, I see that. No, it's not loading. Yeah, it's one more game, and then I'm gonna finish up this controller and get another one done. Hopefully. I'm sure there's Pengo on here. I like Pengo. Hate Qbert. We do like River Raid though. Oh, nice font. Oh yeah. Oh, I blew up my fuel. Don't do that. Silly man. Get shoot, and shoot. Oh. I gotta pick up some fuel soon. There we go. That's a really decent version of River Raid, actually. I like it. Of course, I speak from the perspective of, I grew up on the Atari 2600, and then we had the Atari 8-bit, and we had the 7800 Master System. Played a lot of Master System. Oh, so I do have parts on order for the Genesis controller. I want to go with really... I shouldn't be tempted by that one. Going with a HAP style joystick and deeper buttons as well. So it's probably going to be a thicker controller. So those are coming. is a good version of River Raid. I like how they put like acceleration in it. It's not like an instant jump when you hit the throttle. It's got this like little lag to it. It's a nice touch. Makes it feel a little less video gamey. It does make it a little more challenging, though. It's a really good version of River Raid. I wonder if they ported Zax on. I doubt it. Yeah, I didn't think they would. Worm Whomper. I gotta see that. Oh, that is some weird physics going on. Oh, you got your quick shooty. Oh, wow, this is really hard. That button does nothing. I don't hate it, but I don't like it. One more game. I thought I saw Breakout. Which I do like Breakout. Oh, Brickout. Let's see what Brickout is. Arkanoid. Oh, it is. Nice. Now, is there a speed modifier? No. Some games are just better with a paddle. Yes, kids, that's how we amuse ourselves. Back in the day. Again, paddle controller would be a nice touch, but this isn't bad. Boy, this controller was loud sometimes. Oh my goodness, I forgot how clicky it was. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna finish putting this back together. Do the final assembly, and box her off, and then I'll finish off one other controller. And I think, yeah, I'll be all caught up with IntelliVision, so that'd be basically all the orders through, I don't know, September?